Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Ram. So today I'm going to talk about uh, trend, BOS and CHOCH. In my previous videos I have explained what is trend, what is BOS and what is CHOCH. In the today's session we are going to talk about the live examples that is there for trend, BOS and CHOCH. So I'm considering GBP USD of major Forex pair, and I have replayed till March 31st. So we will be starting our trend analysis, BOS analysis and CHOCH analysis from here. So I'm considering 15 minutes time frame for today's session. Disclaimer, if we can do the same on any session, any time frame, and the results would be the same. So let us hop on to the content. Okay, let me use a anchor text so that we have it on the screen always. Okay, so let me zoom out just to know what is the trend. Okay, we have like a uptrend because we have started from the bottom, made a low, high again, low, high, low, high. Okay, before starting the replay button, I'll just explain what is happening here. So we came from a downtrend. Here we had BOS, okay. Then the market came down, made a potential higher low, and it again gave a break. Okay, but you see, when it break, I'm taking this as the low, right? I mean, see, that's what, when we are going to see the entire range as a higher high, higher low, this makes sense. But if we go to real time market, that is what I was explaining. Like in the higher high, higher low, we will have a lot of minor higher highs and higher lows. So this is what I was trying to tell. See, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Right. Between our higher low and higher high, so we have so many internal structures. So this is for 15 minutes. So if I go to 3 minutes, then the 1 minute or maybe, yeah, the 1 minute structure will be my minority internal structure. If I go to daily time frame, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, or 30 minutes or 4 hours will be my internal structures. So this is what it is. But let us concentrate on the big picture. So BOS, this is our low. Since, okay, I'll use the brush to mark low. Since we had the BOS at this point, so we have to consider this as the low, right? After BOS, the next high as of now is this one. Okay, so when this high was broken was when the BOS happened here. Okay, so then if we are considering this as our BOS, then we have to consider the previous low has our higher low, that is this one. See, the second higher low is greater than the first one. Okay, so we can do in this way, and also we can also analyze the internal structures also. But the thing with internal structures is, see, if I told in previous video that we need to have at least one CHOCH and one BOS for trend confirmation. See, we have like CHOCH, then one BOS, and one BOS just again reverse the entire market to the major trend. So what we have to do here is ignore the internal structures, because yeah, the second BOS itself gave some drastic move, and the entire market got reversed after that. So we did not get any entry. At least we are not discussing about strategy. So, but okay, we did not get any entry. So let us ignore the internal structures and concentrate on the major one. Okay, so this is the BOS and higher high, higher low formation. Okay, let us mark right now. Let us mark right now the upcoming market. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll consider both internal structures and the external structures just to understand and have a clear view of what is happening. Okay, so now if I consider the internal structure, then this will be my low, this will be my low. Okay, sorry, this will be my low, and yeah, this is my BOS. So the market is still bullish. Bullish means uptrend. So the market has to give me a pullback, and it has to um, go up. So that is my expectation. So let me replay the candles. I'll do 10x. That is better. So let me replay the candles. What I'm expecting is the market will do something like this, and it will go up. Okay, I'll mark all the structures, guys. So CHO, CHBOS, trend, everything I'm going to mark. Just to be clear, we are in an uptrend. So I'm going to replay the bars. Yes. Okay. This BOS. So we are not considering any of this as the low, because I mean we had a BOS and maybe the high was formed here. Okay. So I will just simply play again. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to also explain about the internal structures. So low, high, right? So we had one BOS here, and again low, high, low, high, low, high. So we have so many BOS. If we consider the minor structures 1, 2, and 3. So if you consider this minor BOS, then what happens is we have to consider this point as our lower high. So now what has happened is our lower high has broken, right? So what does this mean? This means CHOCH. Okay, this now is CHOCH. Now if GU comes back again and gives a breakdown, then it is a BOS and it will confirm the bearish trend. Okay, let us replay. Okay, it has come back, it has not broke. Yes, yes, yes. See what it beautifully did. Higher low was broken. Lower high was formed. We had a CHOCH here, and then GU came back, and it broke the low. See how beautifully it broke the low. So now we have confirmed bearish trend. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to change my bias and look trades on the shorter side. Okay, so let me play. Okay, okay, now again, if you really want to consider again the internal structures, maybe this small pullback can be considered as the lower high. Then if you want to consider this as the BOS, yes, you can, but the thing is we have to be careful while trading the internal structures, because it can drastically change in no matter of time. Okay, now, and if you see that this low that we had marked was the major low for the entire trend, right? So now since this low is broken, we can clearly tell that this is a major CHOCH. Okay, whatever happened, the CHOCH that happened here was minor CHOCH. If you guys realize, we had a long, short, so many higher lows, higher lows. I mean the normalized trend, right? So in our normalized trend, this was the higher low that we had marked. So until this, we had marked all the internal structures just to know how the trend is changing. Now, since this low itself broke, I mean there is a candle close below the entire range, we can consider this as our major CHOCH. Now GU, that is GBP USD, has turned bearish even on higher time frames. Okay, so I'm not going to go to higher time frame just to show that, but yeah guys, but you have to remember this. Okay, so now GU is bearish. Now let me play and mark some other BOS and CHOCH. Okay, we have BOS again, right? This is going to be our lower high. I'm going to play. Okay, we have minor change of character because this CHOCH made the entire GU to look bearish, turn bearish. So now that we have this previous low broken, this will be our minor change of character. Okay, now what we can expect is GU can come back and go up and give one more BOS, and that will confirm uptrend, because one CHOCH and one BOS towards any direction confirms the trend towards that direction. Okay, so I'm going to replay the chart. Okay, we did not have any pullback. Okay, we did not have any pullback. What we can do is okay, this we can treat it as a BOS, right? So we had a pullback and again the high was taken, so that itself is a BOS. So now let me replace for some more. Okay. See, break of structure. So now what happens is we need to know the concept of liquidity here. Okay, so the previous low was this one, and for some reason the low was taken out, and see, after taking the low, how fastly GU moved upside, right? This is because of liquidity. Okay, I will explain liquidity in another video, but we have to see that how GU is moving so fast with a lot of momentum after taking the liquidity. Okay, the liquidity was just below this higher low, and now we can clearly tell that we have our major BOS here at this range. Okay, meaning how I claimed that okay, GU was turning bearish after this CHOCH. Now since this is our higher high of the major trend, and that is broken, GU has turned bullish, that is uptrend on major time frame. Okay, so I think I have given enough examples, but I'm just going to continue for 2 or 3 BOS or CHOCH and end this session. Okay, okay, we are consolidating. Okay, if I consider this as the low, that is the internal structure, then we have a CHOCH and we can expect GU to go down. Yes, that is what it did. Okay, so that was our CHOCH, and the same, this candle break was our BOS. So now it is confirmed that GU will go down and we can look trades on the shorter side. Yeah, that's what it did, right? So we have a BOS on the shorter side, which is giving us more confidence to trade the shorter side for GU. And yeah, I think this video should be clear for you guys to know what is BOS, what is CHOCH, and how to change the trend, because we know that we were uptrend, then we changed our bias to downtrend, and we got to know that we again came back to uptrend on this leg, and now again after this CHOCH we are somewhat shifting our bias to downtrend. Okay, but if you see, if I zoom out, the entire thing is an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So now we are trading the counter trend to potentially find what is our higher low. But if you see on 15 minutes, we have CHOCH, we have BOS. So on 15 minutes GU has turned bearish, but if we see on higher time frame, GU will still be bullish. So we are trading our counter trend here. Okay guys, I think this should be clear. If you guys have any doubts, please do let me know in the comments. Please do like, share and subscribe for the channel. Jai Shri Ram.